Hi, I'm Johnny Escride from Onyx, and I'm excited to show you through this unique 3-bedroom townhouse at 1302 Parbury Street, Kingston, in the heart of the Kingsborough complex. Let's have a look.
Every wind just feels like loss again. Don't you know? Don't you know? Don't you know? Ain't gonna fall in love again. I ain't gonna fall in love again. I ain't gonna fall in love. 'Cause you ain't all I got, but you still got my heart on lock. Ooh, love, love. Ooh, late nights I still hear your talk.